first home buyers are unaware of what to expect when they make this life-changing decision to purchase their first home. It can be overwhelming. At CoreLogic, we know that behind all of the numbers, the algorithms, and the sophisticated data technology, there are people, families, communities, whole countries. There are hopes, dreams, ambitions, expectations, crossed fingers and vulnerability. And it's those things that matter. It's those things that we want to connect with, enable, and tackle. This is why CoreLogic exists. Our purpose is to help people build better lives by providing rich property insights that inform the very best property decisions.
We wanted to enhance our employee and customer experience through an agile and collaborative digital solution to serve our growing customer base. The goal was to have a comprehensive system that would give us a single view of our customers and their needs. The tagline, "Digital first, human when it matters," beautifully encapsulates the modern customer experience, and that became our North Star. What compelled us to use Zendesk was its ability to consolidate systems and data that would improve both customer and employee experience. It allowed us to empower ourselves without relying on third-party vendor because everything was integrated into just one communication channel.
So in the past 2 years, we've seen a 33% reduction in calls, a 10% improvement in productivity, and a 63% increase in digital customer engagement from our commencement of the channel. The information in the Knowledge Centre made our customers' conversations with our agents even more valuable. We're bringing so much more to the table. Our ability to meet customer expectations through our contact centres has grown without cost implications. This derived increased working capacities for our employees and the top line growth for CoreLogic. Within 3 years, we saw a 2,400% revenue growth due to productivity improvement because of the Zendesk tools.
90% of our interactions occur in the service center, giving us a richer view of our customers. Our CSAT scores shot up by 20% within a 2-year period, which is truly phenomenal. Some administrative tasks are now automated, giving employees more room to attend to other tasks. There was a 10% rise in their productivity and 5% increase in work quality, fostering a better working environment for all. Zendesk is a well-loved tool across the organization, and this is evident in 67% satisfaction increase they've given the platform since they started using it.
The real heroes here are the people behind Zendesk. The Zendesk team works collectively with us on opportunities that we have to improve our customer experience. They're willing to be with us every step of the way to achieve our goals and create solutions that will give us a better outlook on how we engage with our customers. They are the gold standard in terms of the partnership. With Zendesk, we've become fast and data-driven in our digital channels, whilst having time to provide our customers access to our knowledgeable staff to provide an exceptional white-gloved experience in those moments that truly matter.